Magic is believing in yourself. If you can make that happen, you can make anything happen.
Keep your face always toward the sunshine, and shadows will fall behind you. You don't need to see the whole staircase. Just take the first step. You can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. Spend a little more time trying to make something of yourself and a little less time trying to impress people. I really appreciate people who correct me, because without them, I might have been repeating mistakes for a long time. Success is no accident. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, love of what you are doing or learning to do. Punctuality is not just limited to arriving at a place at the right time. It is also about taking actions at the right time. You can't let your failures define you. You have to let your failures teach you. Success is a lousy teacher. It seduces smart people into thinking they can't lose. Stop being afraid of what could go wrong and start being excited about what could go right. Defeat is a state of mind. No one is ever defeated until defeat is accepted as a reality. It is impossible to live without failing at something, unless you live so cautiously that you might as well not have lived at all. In which case, you fail by default. Failure isn't the end of the road. It's a big red flag saying to you, wrong way, turn around. No matter what people tell you, words and ideas can change the world. You're off to great places. Today is your day. Your mountain is waiting, so get on your way. When thinking about life, remember this. No amount of guilt can change the past, and no amount of anxiety can change the future. A negative mind will never give you a positive life. At the end of the day, we can endure much more than we think we can. Competing at the highest level is not about winning. It's about preparation, courage, understanding, nurturing your people and heart. Winning is the result. Your talent is God's gift to you. What you do with it is your gift back to God.
Be a first-rate version of yourself instead of a second-rate version of somebody else.
We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit.
I always did something I was a little not ready to do. I think that's how you grow. When there's that moment of, wow, I'm not really sure I can do this, and you push through those moments, that's when you have a breakthrough. If you hear a voice within you say, you cannot paint, then by all means paint, and that voice will be silenced. How wonderful it is that nobody need wait a single moment before starting to improve the world. Some people want it to happen, some wish it would happen, others make it happen. Very often, a change of self is needed more than a change of scene.
Competing at the highest level is not about winning. It's about preparation, courage, understanding, nurturing your people and heart. Winning is the result. Keep your face always toward the sunshine, and shadows will fall behind you.